welcome back to another video. So, ayun na nga, ngayon is nag-edit ako ng videos ko and I saw that I have a video when we move out na naglilinis kami and we're making sure na malinis na yung bahay before the inspection. And I just wanna quickly share with you the move out process here in Australia para in case na mag-move out din kayo, at least you will be aware because there are a lot of things na bago din sa amin when we recently moved, which is na hindi namin ginawa previously sa first apartment namin, but now there are some like things that we need to do before they release the bond. So, nandito kami ngayon sa old apartment namin and share ko lang na yung mga apartment dito, before you leave, kailangan kung paano mo siya in-accept, ganun mo din siya iiwan, parang ganun. Ganun mo din siya. Pag-inspect, dapat ganun din yung itsura niya. So, ayun, naglilinis lang. So, ayan, naglilinis lang. You can also opt to hire a cleaner. Pero kami, si Tin lang yung naglilinis. Ang biya. Huh? So, ayun na nga. A month before your contract ends, the agent will let you know, or they will send you an email asking you if you want to extend or you want to vacate the property. And in case that you decide to vacate the property, of course, it's your responsibility na maghanap ng malilipatan nyo. But they will schedule inspection. Usually, I'm not really sure if it's a week before or 10 days before. But they will schedule inspection before your contract ends. So, ayun. So, ayun na nga, kung may malilipatan na kayo, and then na-move nyo na lahat ng mga things na kailangan nyo i-move, it's your responsibility to make sure that the apartment is clean and presentable for the inspection. So, another thing that I want to add is, or during move-in process, there's this report which is called condition report, and whatever the status or whatever the condition of the apartment upon receiving it, it should be the same condition when you move out. So we make sure na kung nandito yung table when we receive the apartment and then we move that in the middle of our stay, we made sure that binalik namin sa dating itsura talaga yung apartment, kung ano yung itsura niya upon we receive it. So, yes. And then, ayun, when we return the key, I just want to share this as well. I'm not sure if this is a real estate policy or rental policy or whatsoever, but when we return the keys, by the way, if 5 yung key na binigay sa inyo, you should receive it as is. So, 5 pa rin siya, same condition, it should be the same. But, ayun, nung binalik namin yung key, tinanong kami kung pinastim ba namin yung carpet kasi the whole house is carpeted. So, that's our first time na whole house is carpeted because our first apartment is hindi naman siya carpeted. Nung ni-return namin ng keys, tinanong kami if napastim ba daw namin, and we are like, no, but we vacuum it. So, the agent told us na kailangan nakastim talaga pala. So, there are 2 options. If you want to do it, you want to arrange it, that's okay. Or if medyo busy talaga kayo, the agent can arrange that for you as well. So, ayun nga, that time, inspection happened, everything is okay, aside from little things like like the stove, of course we're using it every day, magkaka-grease talaga yan, but yeah, the agent told us that the grease in the stove should be removed talaga, so hindi talaga siya makuha. Nakailang try kami na linisin siya pero hindi talaga siya nakuha, so the agent suggests that we should hire cleaner to remove the grease na parang dirt dun sa stove. So that one as well, you have the option to hire the cleaner or they can assist you in hiring the cleaner as well. But they require talaga that the stove should be like kung gaano siya kalinis when we receive it, it should be the same. That one is just the major. The other cleanliness, like the everything, like we made sure that we sanitize everything, that we clean everything, and that one is okay. Yun lang talaga sa steam and dun sa parang sa stove namin, dun lang kami parang natagalan that we need to hire the cleaner and the steaming talaga. But then after that, that's the time that they will process the bond. So bond is 1 month rent. And yun nga pala, I assume that everyone knows this na, but of course, when you move to an apartment, they ask or they require a 1 month advance and 1 month deposit. That's why they contact you a month before the end of contract. Kasi if you will decide na you will not extend, you don't need to pay the monthly rent anymore. So, kung end of contract mo is March, you don't need to pay for February. So, covered ka na for the last month. And then, they will release back to you the bond. Ayun. So, ayun, if there are like some charges, let's say there is cleaning, maybe cleaning or like the steaming. So, it depends on the agreement of you and your agent. I mean, if there are some agent na they can deduct that steaming and cleaning to the bond, and meron talaga that you need to give out of the pocket and then they will release the bond buo. So it depends, just be prepared in case, kasi I feel like different agencies have different rules as well. So ayun, once everything is done, once you complete the condition report, and then once everything is settled, they will process the bond, and it took like 3 days before they release back the bond. So ayun, that's the whole process. So ayun, I just wanna emphasize this as well with the condition report. It's important na once you receive the condition report, it's important to check everything. I-check nyo if lahat ba ng nakalagay doon is really in there, or check the house when you move in. If meron kayong makitang something na stain, something is not working, anything like mga scratches and everything. And hindi siya nakalagay sa condition report, it's important that you add it or let them know na ay meron pala ditong ganitong scratch, or yung door may ganito or anything. Mas mabuti na lang mabusisi kayo kasi you don't want na when you move out sasabihin nila na ay bakit may mold to, bakit di nyo nakuha ang mold, pero nandyan na pala talaga yung mold when you move in. So it's important talaga na you double check. This one is one thing that we learned as well recently about the condition report. That's why when we receive that in this current apartment is double check talaga namin siya. And there are not major, it's not major, but I think there are like scratches that we have to report just to let them know that we did not do the scratches. And there are, I think, lights na or bulbs na isa na hindi gumagana, which we tell them na this light is not working, so they need to send the repair. So yun pala guys, like in our experience sa previous apartment, kasi nasiraan din kami dun ng balcony lights, which is hindi naman namin ginagamit mostly, but we just wanna report it and let them know para alam nila na hindi kami yung sumira nun. Like when we move in is nandun na, hindi na talaga siya gumagana, and then we report it and then they send someone to fix it. they didn't charge us, as well as I think we reported one smoke alarm na nagbi-beep-beep siya, parang low bat ganon. Pero that one, we just reported it to them and they didn't charge us as well. So it really depends. Not really sure kung ano yung mga china-charge nila sa nagre-rent and china-charge nila sa owner. So I'm not really sure what is included. Pero that time, the bulb in our balcony sa previous apartment and the smoke alarm is hindi kami nagbayad, ni-report lang siya namin. And yeah, it's important na in your stay, in between your stay, if there is something na nasira yung light bulb na hindi natin maiiwasan, of course, because there is always wear and tear. Meron talagang masisira, like yung mga usual na ginagamit, of course, like the light bulb, of course, there will be a time talaga na susuko talaga yung light bulb. So it's important to report it to them para ma-actionan agad. And ayun, yung mga bagay na something like just in case na yung sink nyo, yung faucet nyo is not working, report it to them para alam nila, para at least okay din yung stay mo. Ayaw mo naman magstay sa bahay na sira yung mga gripo, diba? Or mga light or whatsoever. So yun lang. As well as including the mga aircon, mga heater, make sure that it's working well. When they say in the condition report that it is working well, make sure it's really working well. Yes, what else? Yeah, all of the saksakan, make sure that it's working well as well. Otherwise, if nasa condition report talaga na hindi talaga siya gumagana, that's okay, but make sure to test all of it. So ayun, that should be the move out process. And yeah, that's technically the same with move in. Pero yeah, I will create another video for the move in process, and I will try to remember all of the things that we did before we move in. I think that would be an interesting topic as well, which is a very big help for those people who needs to move out, or who really needs to move to a new place. I think that would be a very interesting topic as well, which is I will share it with you. I just need to gather more information and remember all the things that we did, or all the process that we went through, and I will share it with you as well. So there you go. That would be it. Just make sure to do your part as well when you move to an apartment, and make sure that of course you will take care of the house as well. Kasi if you maintain it daily, at I think hindi na rin kayo mahihirapan mag-move out, hindi na kayo mahihirapan na super clean talaga ng bahay as long as na-maintain nyo siya. So there you go, that's how the move out process works and the releasing of the bond works. So ayun, yes, so in case, I just want to quickly add this, na remember ko lang, is when there is something na like ginagamit nyo araw-araw, then nasira, it really depends on the owner if they want to charge you with that, or you don't need to pay anymore. Kasi I remember in our previous apartment, there is a crack in the fridge, kasi fridge is included in that apartment. So I think there is a crack in the fridge. I think when we receive it, there is a crack na rin, but it's not that malala. But of course, since we are using it, we are putting food in it, syempre nabibigatan, of course the crack is getting worse. But yeah, as I always say, is we are blessed with the apartment owner that they didn't let us pay na. So that one is a very big help to us. Kasi there are deductions in our bond, but not much. That one is just for the cleaning and for the steaming, but that's it. So ayun, there you go guys. Thank you so much for your support to my channel. And yes, I will try my best to share with you as well all the things that we are going through, or yung mga first time experience namin. I want to share it with you because yeah, it might help you someday as well when you move, and you'll be ready as well before you move. Like for us, hindi namin alam na kailangan pala yung steam. So at least if you are currently staying in an apartment and naka carpet siya, at least you know that you need to steam that before you surrender your key. So that would be all. And I'm not sure if I will insert the videos in between. But yes, I have a clip when we clean the house. So, ayun, share ko sa inyo. And parang empty house tour na din. But yeah, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for watching. And see you in my next one.